Welcome to our lesson about using composite curves. I've got 3 2D sketches. I've also got an extruded surface. I'm going to use all 4 entities to make a composite surface. Let's begin by selecting Insert, Curve, Composite. With this property manager, we can join sketches, edges, and curves. All entities have got to touch one another, otherwise Solidworks will fail to create the curve. Let's begin by making our selections. We'll select this sketch, this edge, and these edges here. Lastly, this sketch, and this sketch. Let's click OK. In our Feature Manager design tree, we've got a composite curve displayed. Let's select the Swept Surface tool next. Select our profile, then the path. Here's our preview. Let's click OK. And as you see, we easily created a surface sweep using a composite curve. This concludes our lesson about using a composite curve.